So tooth grinding, or bruxism as it's known, is really a form of parafunction where for whatever reason it's really unclear as to why we do this. And sometimes you do it and you don't even know you're doing it in your sleep. It can be very, very destructive to your teeth at a time. Very rarely do we see it cause problems in the short term, but in the long term, very, very much so. We see definite wear patterns where people have worn through their enamel into the dentine, which is the soft stuff. We also see people starting to crack their teeth, particularly teeth that have been filled or restored before, become very, very weak to those parafunctioning sort of movements of the jaw.